you. I bet you're getting fed up with this orange jumper now, aren't you? No, I am. I love this orange jumper though. Bought it from Tesco's for 10 quid. Mega happy with it. Mega happy with it. Stand up is all orange. So, and it's got these lovely... Oh, I love it. It's gorgeous. It's really gorgeous. Like it. Bit batwing. Yeah, a little bit batwing. Anyway, moving on. Today's video I'm doing is all about the IMAGIC palette. And this is the IMAGIC Professional Cosmetics. And this is the Here I Am palette. The Here I Am style palette. Now, I don't know if that's Here I Am or Hereiam. Hereiam? Hereiam. It looks like it says, Here I am. Where are you? Here I am. Here I am. How do you do? Sorry, kid stuff. Yeah, so I bought this from Aliexpress. And I think I paid about 6 quid for it. 6 quid. The packaging, can I just say, is completely and utterly sublime. It's so tactile. I just want to keep rubbing it. It just feels so lovely. It's almost like a suede effect. Yes, I know I'm weird. We all know that I'm weird. So anyway, cardboard packaging, which I really love. Most people know I love cardboard packaging. So it's a flip top palette. She does have a mirror in there. She has 16 colours. I'm going to show you a close-up of it now, and then I will give you all the details afterwards. See you in a minute. I just had a thought. Oh, it's gone. Right, okay. I'm in one of the moods today. I am in one of those moods. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful packaging. I really, really like the packaging on this. And as you can see, beautiful colours in there as well. And you get a full-size mirror. Okay, the mirror's not huge, but it's big enough. Oh, and you've got a little... I'm going to take that off now. I'm not going to do an eye look with it today, because I've already got my makeup on. You know. Okay, mirror. Ooh, I like the mirror. Look, makes it look very slim without being distorted. Like that. Okay, so here we go. Here's the mirror test. Hi guys. Can you see me? God, it's a very small mirror, but it's a small palette. So this is what the mirror looks like. It's quite a nice mirror actually. I do actually really like it. Very clear, very precise. I absolutely love the colours inside. Oh my god, they are beautiful. They are beautiful. I mean, look at all them. Well, you have had a look already. It'd be daft for me saying have a look, because you have looked already. But I love the fact that you've got these beautiful neutral and warm mattes. God, look at the colour there. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful transition colour. Beautiful transition colour. Lovely warm colours. And then I absolutely adore these beautiful shimmers that we've got here. I mean, this one reminds me of, now I can't think of the name of it, from Urban Decay. But it's called Petrol, I think, in the Soph palette from Revolution. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm going to take a little bit of it, but it's not quite as dark. Anyway, you guys need to see the swatches to see what these actually look like. So you go and have a look at the swatches of these. You go and look while I just, yeah. See you later. Already? That was quick. Okay. So yeah, you've seen how these have swatched. Now again, with the magic of doing videos, you guys know that I swatch these after I have completed the video so that you still see an absolutely perfect and beautiful palette while I'm presenting this to you. I am going to do an eye look for you, not today, but I am going to do another eye look for you in another video. And we're going to see how these perform. But I think this is just sublime to look at. That's what my thoughts on this are now. Now, the crucial deets that you need. It's recycled packaging, it's recyclable packaging. It's also cruelty free. Now, there is a new symbol on the back of products that I don't know what it is, but it looks like it's an open book with a finger. It's not very clear and precise on the packaging of this. I don't know if you can see here. I'm going to try and find out what that means. Finally know what it means. Okay, so this little symbol means there's more information on the insert. So I don't know why it's actually on the back of the product, because there is no other insert in there. And it is exactly the same information on the back as what it says. So I don't know. Anyway, back to the Here I Am palette. So yeah, I mean, this does look like a really nice palette to start with, and I'm really looking forward to giving it a go. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled, and yeah, I'm now going to sleep. All this packaging and this makeup is just beautiful. I am dafty, aren't I? But yeah, this is really good. I will try and link down below where I purchased this from. I think you can get it on Amazon. I know you can definitely get it on Aliexpress. And I always think that it's better to buy it from the proper outlet, the official stores. I mean, it's like Focalore. I will only buy Focalore from Focalore now. I won't buy it from Aliexpress because I've been done with failure before. But we won't go there. We will not go there. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that it was informative for you. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, or if you'd like, actually give me a thumbs up if you'd like me to do a makeup look. That's a good thing. Give me a thumbs up if you'd like to do a makeup look. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done already, and hit that notification bell so that when I do a video like this, you will be notified. So anyway, mwah, 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 mwah. See you later, beauty babes. Have a beautiful day. See you in the next video. Bye.